Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix a cutoff saw that's got a messed up belt or isn't giving you enough torque. And pretty much the main problem that it's going to be if you're pulling the throttle and it's spinning but then just can't even have enough power to cut through anything. It's probably your belt. So I'm going to show you how to fix the belt because that's what was wrong with mine. This is How-Tos with Aaron. So here's my saw. It's a Stihl TS420. And I had to get a new belt for it. The other one was all torn up. It was still on there enough to spin it, but not enough to cut through anything. So this is almost basically like a clutch, or basically like a tension. This is pushing out with the spring to keep tension onto this. Fun note just to know, this nut is a backwards thread, so it's lefty tighty, righty loosey. And this piece is what's supposed to release this tension so that you can get the old belts on and off and the new belt on. But for me, when I turned it, I'm supposed to be able to put like a wrench on here and turn it. It was just spinning and not catching, and it wasn't releasing the tension because this was just spinning around and around. So I had to do the cheat way, and so what I did was I took this off, went ahead and got my belt on down here and onto the wheel, and then I had to prop up my saw like this. And I was pushing down here and kind of using this to help pull to get this to slide in so that this piece would compress. Once I did, I kind of helped that. I put this wheel back on the bolt and then was able to get the nut on. This sits very specifically, so I went ahead and I marked with a pencil a line through here and across the top of here so that I knew how it could sit, because it wants to sit a specific way. And once I got that back on, all I had to do was get this nut back on, and I was good. Never had to take this off, although if you do, it's easier to get it back on if you take the belt off. But yeah, you're supposed to be able to use that if it's not broken. So that's how I did it. That's how you can do it. Be blessed.